Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a batch file to run SFC and DISM on your Windows computer. And I'm going to go ahead and do this now. We're going to go to my desktop. And I want to tell you first that SFC stands for System File Checker. And DISM is Deployment, Image, Servicing, and Management. These are two very important programs that help keep your system running good, repairs any issues or corruptions. Very important on Windows 10 and probably Windows 11, but I'm still running Windows 10. So, to make the batch file, to automate the process, we right-click on our desktop and say New Text Document. And then load that up, open that up, and then put in the following lines. SFC /scannow, and then on a new line, DISM /online /cleanup image, cleanup -image /RestoreHealth. I have an echo off in here and a pause, and the pause will stop the command prompt window from closing once these commands finish, because I like to see if there was an error and if it was successful during cleanup. I run these programs at least once a week, and for sure the day after Windows or Microsoft sends us a bunch of Windows updates. Because I can sometimes find little issues with a game I'm playing or a program I'm running, and running these usually fixes those issues. Go up to File now and Save As, and create whatever name you want in the file name. Something like Repair or DISM SFC, whatever. Repair.bat. Very important you put in period BAT and then save. This will create on your desktop a new file called repair. You see these little gears, it's a Windows batch file. Now we can get rid of the new text document we made. And when you want to run this, you just right-click and say Run as Administrator. If you want to not have to do that every time, and it doesn't bother me to do that, but some people find it annoying, you want to right-click on the file and create a shortcut, and it will create a shortcut of the same name. You can tell a shortcut by the little arrow here. Now, right click on that and go to Properties, and in the Shortcut tab, go to Advanced and Run as Administrator. Apply and OK. And that's as simple as you can be. Just double click on this and it'll run the program automatically, or use the non-shortcut method and run as administrator, which is just as simple. I prefer this route because creating the shortcut means I have to move this file someplace else in my computer. I don't need both of these on my desktop, so I got to put this in a subfolder or whatever. So this is the one I would do. Right click on administrator, and that automates the process. And you want to associate a batch file with something like Notepad. Then you could always edit it whenever you want as a text file. Notepad. And you won't have to type in these command lines every single time you want to do something. Do a repair or check. And it's that simple. Not hard at all. I hope this helps some of you. Take care, and I'll see you again at another time.